The Benime icon simply tells you you're working with Benime app, while the Buy Pro is where you click on if you want to buy the Pro version of this app and gaining access to some of this, all of these features, as well as these frames. These are frames you actually need to subscribe to the Pro version of this app to have access to, but that's not why we are here. So click on the plus sign and head straight to the workspace. So you would have to name your movie before you proceed. Now, this is your workspace or your work studio. What we have here, the sticker, you can choose image, drawings, people, and all of that. If you've already worked with stickers before, you would see the previous or the recent stickers used or pictures used. We have drawings, people, school, buildings, electronics, kitchen, vegetables, fruits, furniture shapes, all of that up to characters. Yes, so you can actually use all of this. But then anyone you see PRO, it means you need to have access to the pro version of this app to be able to use it. For example, this, it means you need to be subscribed to the pro version. You can click on anything and sometimes you get lucky to watch an ad and get a reward for use for that thing, whatever sticker it may be. The next is the text. The text is what allows you to input text into your frame or your slide, whatever you choose to call it. Yes. Next is the background. BG simply means background. You can choose color or select image for your background. For example, if you choose purple, it means that subsequent slides will also be purple. So in a situation whereby you actually want a different color for slide 1, a different one for slide 2, you have to click on the three dots you see right there to select the background color or image you want for that particular slide. And that is how you customize for each slide. So if you want to choose an image for a particular slide, you click on the three dots there as well and go to select background image, choose the image you want, resize it, and boom, you have it, your background image. Remember that choosing BG means you're customizing the entire slide, but choosing individually means you're customizing each slide specifically. The next thing is the hand. You choose the hand you want to work with. And the next thing, the music, if you want a music track or a voice over. So a voiceover means you want to voice over your work or choose music track from your file. So let's do a quick formatting of text. Type in your text and insert. So this is it. You click on the black box there to choose a different color, whatever color you want. You click on the letter A there to choose your preferred font type. There are quite a number for you to choose from. And then you can increase the size of your text box or your text or reduce the size by using the up and down arrow as seen on the screen. Should you want to compress your text into 2 lines or even more than 2 lines, you can use the size bar below to resize your text as you would want. And as well, use the align tools to align your text how you would want it. It's currently aligned at the left hand side. If you want it at the center or if you want it at the right, which is the right alignment. It's currently at the left alignment, but let's fix it at the center. The icon looking like pencil is a property you use to edit your text. If, for example, you've made mistake in your text and you want to edit it, you can just click on that pencil to make changes to your text. The delay feature simply means how long you want your text to delay for before appearing on the whiteboard. The duration simply means how long do you want it to stay for on the whiteboard before the next slide. While pause is used when you have more than one element on one slide, or basically how long you want a particular element to pause for before the next element plays. The pause effect can be applied between elements or between slides. For text animation effect, click on this icon to have access to a range of different text animation effects or patterns, and feel free to explore and then choose whichever one suits what you're currently working on. Click on play to see the work done so far. The implication of clicking on the play at the top is that it plays the entire slide. So if you want a particular slide, you have to click on the three dots for that particular slide you want to play and then click on play. It means you're only interested in playing that particular slide. Simply go to the particular sticker you want to use and select it. Simple. Feel free to use the size bar to resize your image, and if you want to move it from one position of the screen to the other, pinch on it and move your image as you would like. Note that it's always advisable to keep your images smaller, especially if you intend to use text with it as well. To import image, click on Add Image, go straight to your gallery and click on whichever image you'd want. Resize it to your preferred size and crop. The size is slightly larger than what I would want, so feel free to use the size bar to resize it to your perfect size. To reuse a previously used image, simply tap on the image of your choice. The size of any element you import is dependent on the number of elements you intend to work with. So let's choose an animation effect for the cyclist. Good, so click on play. If you noticed, the elements actually placed sequentially in the order of their importation. But what if you want the last thing you imported to play first? Simply click on the three dots and click on Reorder Elements and switch the elements as you want them to play out. Perfect. So click on play to see how it will play out this time. Oh yeah, so there you go. Let's create a quick board animation using stickers and text. Shine your eyes.